Okay. How's my hair? Fine?
Looking nice, yeah.
Are we good to go?
Yes.
Okay, so you can start recording then.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, and action.
Hi, this is SK and this is my channel Inspo Vibes with SK. I hope you had a beautiful Dasera and I celebrated by getting a new haircut and new highlights. I'm not sure how much you can see it, but I'm loving it. So today I'm going to talk about something which is very close to all of us, and that is sound sleep. Raise your hand, how many of you have issues having deep sleep every single night? Oh, I'm not raising my hand because I think one of the blessings in my life is to have sound sleep. I go off to sleep like at about 10:15, and I sleep like a log through the night. You couldn't wake me up. And 5 in the morning, before the alarm rings, I'm up. That's because I sleep really well and I wake up fully rested. So, what is the secret of this sound sleep every night? Is it really a blessing or is it something that I work towards? And that's what I'm going to talk about, because when I listen to people around me, most of the time, they say, I had a bad night, I couldn't sleep, I was awake all night. And let's understand, why is sound sleep so important? Because if you don't rest at night, your body doesn't recuperate, your body doesn't repair itself, your mind doesn't rest, and then the next day you feel as if it's been a continuation of the previous day. So your energy levels are low, and when your energy is low and you haven't really slept well, you end up being very irritable, very snappy, you lack patience, and you're always jumping at people. You are losing your sense of rationale and logic. Now, is that something desirable? Certainly not. Nobody would like to be irritable, nobody would like to be called snappy, and nobody wants to be influenced on their judgment by lack of sleep. So, this simple phenomena of good sleep can cause so much havoc in our lives. So, all of us would want to know how to get good sound sleep. So, this brings me to a story. Yes, of course, my way of telling anything is always to share it in the form of a story. So, I heard this story many years ago. I think I was just starting out in my career and I had attended one training program, and one of the trainers shared this and it stuck with me. I liked the concept so much, I started to practice it, and it worked. So I practiced it more religiously. It worked to the extent that now it's become part of my nature. So, interested? So, let's dive deep into this story. So, there was this man who obviously was working in some company, and that office was at a distance from his home. So, every morning when he used to leave home, there was a huge peepal tree outside his building gate. Okay, so as he drove out, जैसे ही वो हर सुबह अपने घर से निकलता, वो निकलते निकलते उस ट्री को देखता और कहता, भैया, अपने घर के सभी टेंशन, सभी प्रॉब्लम्स तुम्हारी ब्रांचेस में टांग के जा रहा हूँ, संभाल के रखना, शाम को लेता हूँ. So he would just simply smile. In his mind, he would talk to the tree, hang all his problems of personal life onto that tree, be free, and drive to work. When he was entering his office, there was another big tree outside his office. He would look at the tree, smile, and say, okay, I left some baggage and some issues and some tensions here with you from my work yesterday. I'll take them on now. Thanks for holding on to them for me. And he would pick up all the work related pending points and stresses and things that he needed to ponder over, take them with him and get into the office. So, in this way, when he would leave office, he would hang his office matters onto that tree, go home freely, take his home matters from the tree outside his building, and go home. So, in this simple story, I found such a beautiful and powerful secret of how to keep the two worlds separate. Do not carry your home into your work. Do not carry your work into your home. So, what happens? Both the energies remain in different worlds, and therefore, at one time, you have to deal with only one set of problems. And every night before you sleep, spend just 3 to 4 minutes in just focusing on all that happened during the day, and anything that bothered you, just visualize that you are like tearing the page from a notebook, making it into small pieces and chucking it, right? And see, in just 3 minutes, your whole body will start to relax, your mind will go still, all the thoughts that were racing in that mind will suddenly go quiet, and you will be restless to hit the pillow. And the moment you hit the pillow, in the next couple of minutes, you're off into dreamland, la la land, snoring, whatever it is that you do when you are in deep sleep. But believe me, my friends, this formula is so amazing, and it is more powerful because it is so simple. It's so simple, yet so many of us don't do it. So here's refreshing all your minds. Here's reiterating and sharing the secret of my sound sleep over the years with all of you. Find your tree near the house and find your tree near the office, and keep the both baggages on those trees. Believe me, you will feel so light-hearted, so relaxed, and in the night when you will tear mentally those pages that have been bothering you and that really do not have any impact on your life, just let them go. See the way you will sleep, and over a period of time, this will become your habit. So it sounds so simple, and believe me, yes, it is easy. It's just a question of following it through for a couple of days till the time it becomes your habit. So, with that, I end today's story, and I have shared with you the secret of my sound sleep. If it makes sense to you, start practicing from tonight itself. Happy sleeping, sleep well, wake up with a fresh mind, with all your energies and all your faculties about you. Have an amazing day ahead of you, and don't become that grumpy, snappy person, because lack of sleep does that to each one of us. So if it resonates with you, don't forget to hit on the like button, share with others around you, and let them also start getting the benefit of sound sleep. Subscribe to my channel if not already done, and write your comments once you start practicing this. How did this impact your quality of sleep? I would love to hear from you. With that, I take leave. You take care. Be safe. Keep watching every week yet another video to inspire from pulled from daily life stories. This is SK signing off. Adios and bye bye.